Welcome to CAD Station. Here we are again with another tutorial which is related to reference plane. So you can see here this is the block which we are going to draw in this tutorial. This block is very simple. Here is a slot and this is base and this is the wall which you can easily draw, but this side or this taper side is quite difficult. We are going to use reference plane to draw these, otherwise it's very difficult to draw through different commands. So let's start our drawing. New document, we have to draw a part. Okay, now millimeters, here is selected millimeter. I'm going to select top plane, sketch. First of all, we have to draw this base is of 92 by 38, corner rectangle, smart dimension 92 by 38. Okay, now it is extruded up to 13 millimeters. Features, extrude up to 13 millimeters. Okay, now this base is complete. We have to draw this wall. This wall is of 13 millimeters and it is from this corner to this wall is distance is 73. 13 millimeters wall of at a distance 73. Sketch, control 8, corner rectangle from this side to this side, smart dimension 13, from here to here 73. Okay, now we have to extrude it up to 116 millimeters. Simple features, extrude 116 mm. Okay, now you can see it is extruded just at perpendicular 90 degree, but here is an arc which is also extruded. This arc is of radius 75. So come here, select this face, sketch, control 8, select line and for construction. From this edge, straight line, escape, smart dimension, make it of 75 radius 75. Now arc, center point arc, here it is selected center point arc. Okay, this point is its center, this is its radius, and I have to draw till here. Escape, select line command. From here I have to draw at its height. So if I point here, it don't show any line which touches it. So come here, hover it and now stretch it slowly. Now you can see it shows the dotted line, which means it is intersecting here. Click here, click its edge, and now finally close it. Okay, escape. Features, extrude up to 13 but opposite direction. Okay, now it's ready. You can see here is a slot. First draw this slot. This slot is of 50 and its radius is 6.5. Sketch, select this face, sketch, control 8, select slot, just draw a slot, smart dimension, its radius is 6.5. okay, slot size is 50. Okay, 50. Then from this center point to this edge is 28. from this center point to this wall is 28. 28. Okay, now further 28. Further detail from center to upper edge is 22. Smart dimension from this line to this is 22. Okay, furthermore 22 here, 28, it's complete. 22, 28, 50, radius of 6.50. Now simply, okay, features, extruded cut, extruded cut up to blind or increase it, or simply go to through all. Okay, now it's ready. You can see here is a slot of 4 millimeters and 13 millimeters. Select this face, control 8, sketch corner rectangle from this wall. Simply smart dimension, it is of 13 degree, 13 mm's, and this is 4. Further detail is here. It is 15.5 millimeters below the top edge. 15.5. Select this line, select this edge, and it is 15.5. Okay, okay. Now features, extruded cut, extruded cut up to through all. Okay, now it's completed. This base, this wall, this slot, and this slot also done. Now we have to draw this surface or this plane. For this, come here. As I told you in the beginning of the tutorial, we are going to use reference plane. You may watch the previous tutorial regarding to reference plane. Once again, come to reference geometry plane. For first reference, select this face. For second reference, select this face. And now, oh, mistake, for reference plane. Now come to first reference. Select front plane, and it is of, as you can see here, is 16 millimeter, and this is of 6 millimeter thick. So 16 plus 3, it's 19. We have to draw 19 millimeters. By default it's 19 millimeter, but as you can see, our reference plane is in this side. We have to draw in the block, so flip to offset. Okay, okay. Now simply you have to draw, select this plane, sketch, control 8, and now draw line from here to here, line from here to here. Don't click on the mid point. It may be difficult for you to dimensioning. Smart dimension, you can see it is of 63. You can see it's showing 63, so just mention it as 63. It is also of 63. And okay, just now this triangle is ready. Features, extruded walls, and you have to select mid plane. First of all, mid plane, and it is 6 millimeters. Just okay. Now click on plane and hide it. You can see control 7. It's complete. Now you can change the color to as you want. You may change its color. Okay, for further perspective and make it plain white, so you can see it's completed. These base, this taper angle, this wall, this slot, and this slot. So it's done. Hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. If you have any query, you have any problem regarding this tutorial, or you may want any tutorial of you have any drawing you want a tutorial on it, you may DM me so I can make tutorials for you. Thanks.